The basic formula to find the area of any triangle is half times base times height. But what if I told you there is another formula to find the area of any triangle, which is half times the side, A times the side B, times the sine of the angle which is between these two sides? In this video, we will derive this formula to understand why this formula used in any triangle with an angle instead of the basic formula. Let's imagine a triangle with the sides of A, B, and C with an angle theta, which is between the sides A and B. So if we use the basic formula of triangle to find its area, we will require base and height. In this triangle, we have the base length, which is A, but where's the height? Without the height, we are not be able to find its area. So what we do to find the area? We need to construct a perpendicular line from the top vertex to side A, labeled as H, which represents height. Therefore, in this right triangle, we take the ratio of the opposite side length to the hypotenuse. We know that this ratio is equal to sine theta, so the ratio is H over B because the opposite side of the angle is H and the hypotenuse is B. So to solve for the height, we need to multiply both sides by B. After this, we get B times sine theta is equal to H, which is the height of the triangle, so we get the height. Now the area of the triangle with the basic formula is half times base times the height. We already have the base, which is A, and we just find the height of the triangle is B times sine of theta, so putting the height into the formula, we get the formula of the triangle's area is half times A times B times sine theta. Now you can find the area of a triangle without knowing its height. This formula is used in any triangle. It only requires two sides and the angle between them. So keep this formula in mind to find the area of any triangle. Thanks for watching the video. Keep supporting to grow this channel and share this video with your math-loving friends. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.